In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the change history report for issues in Jira. If you've been navigating through Jira and are curious about the history of changes made to an issue, then this step-by-step guide is for you. Understanding the change history can be crucial for tracking the progress of your tasks and understanding how an issue has evolved over time. This tutorial will walk you through the process in a simple and clear manner, ensuring you'll know exactly how to access and interpret the change history for any issue in your Jira project. First, you'll want to make sure you're in the correct project where the issue is located. Start by opening your Jira dashboard and selecting the project you plan to work with. This is crucial because Jira organizes issues by projects, and accessing the right one will ensure you're seeing the correct data and history. Once you're in the desired project, turn your attention to the top navigation panel. Here you'll see an option labeled Issues. Click on this to bring up a list of all the issues within your chosen project. This is your main gateway to exploring individual issue details further. From the list of issues, identify the specific issue you want to delve into. Click on it to open the detailed view of that issue. To access the change history, navigate to a tab within this detailed view labeled Activity. This tab serves as a comprehensive record of everything that's been happening with the issue, an invaluable resource for understanding any updates or modifications that have taken place. In the Activity tab, you'll find a chronological list of all actions associated with the issue. This includes comments from team members, work logs, and importantly, any field changes such as the issue status or assignee updates. Each action is logged with a timestamp, giving you a clear timeline of events. To focus specifically on the changes that reflect the issue's history, look for an option labeled History within the Activity tab. By selecting History, you'll be presented with a detailed timeline that chronicles all the adjustments made to the issue over time. This includes changes to fields, status updates, who made the changes, and exactly when they occurred. It's an excellent way to pinpoint exactly how an issue has developed since its creation. By following these straightforward steps, you'll be able to access the change history report in Jira with ease. This understanding will assist you in keeping track of changes and maintaining a clearer picture of your project's progress and dynamics. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful in empowering you to navigate Jira's features with confidence. Feel free to explore more of what Jira has to offer, and remember that tracking progress effectively can lead to better project outcomes.